Willpower. That's what we need in life to get things done, to change our lives, right? No. No, that's a big fat lie. It's a fallacy. Do not believe it for 1 second. And I'll tell you why. Willpower belongs in the conscious mind. I can consciously override or overpower a subconscious program. But for how long? Let me give you an example. Right now, I'm talking to you and my breathing is being taken care of by the subconscious mind. And I can say, well, I have the willpower. I have the strength to override it. Of course I can. Yes, watch. I am taking control of my breathing. And I am pushing my subconscious mind aside. But, here's a big but. For how long can I do that? As long as I stay focused on that one thing, I might be able to do it. But I cannot do that. I'm gonna have to eat, drink water, think of other things, take care of all the problems. And as soon as my awareness, my focus goes to a different place, which it has to go to a different place, my subconscious mind is going to take control like I'm doing right now. I'm not controlling my breath. It's being done by my subconscious mind. So, yes, willpower exists, but no, it does not work. It's useless. And not only that, the worst part about it is that it adds layers of frustration to what you're doing. Let's say you're trying to lose some weight. You push through it for a few days, for a few weeks, if you're lucky for a few months, because you're so focused on what you want. And then what happens? Well, you know what happens. I don't have to tell you that. And that goes for just about everything, for emotions, for traumatic events. If I am caught in a emotional cycle that I'm feeling anxiety or depression or really anything else, there is a program in my subconscious mind that is keeping me there. So I can try and push through it. I can wake up early and see the sun and say, oh, what a beautiful day. And my depression is just gonna come right back because it's not depending on willpower. So for all the people that they like to say, well, you know, I have a lot of willpower and that's why I do things. That's not true. That's not true. We like to think that we have the power to control our subconscious mind, but it doesn't work like that. Our subconscious mind is 1 million times more powerful than our conscious mind. So it doesn't matter what we want to control over our subconscious mind. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. So why is this related to magnetic field therapies, especially to the biomagnetic code? Because some therapies are more for like pH imbalances and things like that. But the thing about it is that a thought is electric and the emotion is magnetic. When we program something in our subconscious mind, it happened because 2 things happened. 1, there was a thought, there was a knowledge, and there was an emotion. When the emotion went past the threshold, it went past our Broca's area, and we program with language, and then it goes into our amygdala, and it says, oh, we have to store this because there is a big emotional peak. How are we going to reverse engineer that process? If the emotion, if the thought is created by an electromagnetic pulse, well, you have to reverse engineer it with electromagnetic activity. That is in the body, that is in the mind, with transcranial magnetic stimulation, so on and so forth. But you have to reprogram your subconscious mind for you to be able to actually change things that you want to change. And these specifically, I'm more focused on health issues. For you to do the opposite thing that took you towards illness. If you wanted to reverse back into health, change things in your life, get rid of the stress, get rid of the anger, of the sadness, of the frustration that led you to the illness. Well, you have to do that reverse process, and you have to let go of that electromagnetic activity in the body that is not allowing you to reprogram your subconscious mind. So anyway, this topic is very excites me a lot. I love it, and I want to invite you to come have a cup of coffee with me. I always give half an hour free consultations in my office, so that you can reach out. You don't have to pay anything or agree to anything, commit to anything. Just come to my office. Let's have an appointment, half an hour. Let's chat about what is it going on in your life, what things are you trying to change. It doesn't matter if it's physical health, emotional, mental health. We'll talk about it. We'll design a plan. If you like it, we can go through it. If you don't, that's fine. But anyway, you can give me a call at 210-906-0308. You can book your free appointment, or you can also go to my website, holisticwithin.com, and you can send me a message, and we can schedule you a free appointment. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.